Yes, I'm Roman and how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. For today's video, I'll be sharing some videos I found on Instagram. These are just random videos and I found them over a period of time and I simply added them to a file. And so today we will be watching these videos. Let's go. This is the fourth time I'm seeing this video and I'm still impressed. Oh, wow. The coordination, the skill, and even the strength it takes to do this. If I were there, I'm sure I would have fallen. I'm sure I would have hit my crotch. I would have hit between my legs a lot. This is crazy. Oh. Alright. This I've perhaps watched 1,000 times. I was simply amazed. And this guy simply looked majestic doing all of this. This blew my mind. And there were some persons in the comments who were saying, oh well, he's using a trampoline, it's helping him. Yeah, obviously it's helping him. But at the same time, how many of you who are skinnier than this guy could use the trampoline to do the same thing? I doubt I could. I wouldn't because I'd be afraid to break my neck. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Oh! First of all, let me destroy this video. That boy, he is not going down 100%. He's barely doing a push-up. I'm sure I could do that. He's barely moving. I could do that. Should I try? Wait, can I do it? Oh damn, this girl is aggressive. This is how you play musical chairs, guys. First of all, I would have stopped because while I like in physical activities, once I think I will hurt someone, I stop. So for example, the other day I was playing football and whenever someone would tackle me, I would just stop once I perceive that there's danger. Sure, you don't do that, but I do it because one, I don't want to hurt the person. And two, I don't want to get hurt.
You are one pathetic loser.
How old is this boy? He looks super young. From behind. Oh, this dude is better than I am. Oh, this dude is good. Currently, what do you call this again? I squat 30 kg on both sides and the bar is maybe 20 kg, I think. And I can do more, but I don't because some exercises hurt my back, so I try not to do too much, not to overwork my back. Yeah, but this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh damn. This is fun. This looks fun. I think the team here is going to win with the girl in the blue pants and shirt. This is crazy. Wow. Who thought of this? This is crazy. This is amazing. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. I would love to try this, but I would like to be the person riding the boat. Yeah, well, I can't bother to row now. It's too much effort, but I would like to do this. Or I could do both. Once as the captain of the ship and the other time as the sea. Next video. Oh, I think this is my last video. Wow. That went by so quickly. Anyways, let's go. This girl is crazy. Wow, she's flexible. And her level of balance is amazing. Wow. I'm already having difficulties doing this on the floor that's already flat. That's not shaking. Yet this crazy woman is doing this thing on something that is not steady or stable. Wow. She's impressive. I definitely agree. I wonder how long it took her to do this. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that video. As usual, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.